Okay, Ama.
Yes.
This is the positive battery. This is the negative positive. And then this is where is our air filter. And this is maybe it's the coolant, whatever it is, I don't know. And this is excuse me, the cameraman. So this is the fluid for the window wipers. This is the brake fluid. This is how much oil. This is I don't know what it is. Clearly I can see inside. Flashlight. The inside. That's the gearbox. This is the wiring, the gearbox wiring thing.
那个是mileage 的 belt 啦。
对呀，那个 belt 啦。
啊。
And then
timing belt, timing belt.
Oil.
It's a timing belt, man.
And then 你怎样开这个
Okay, you hold on 啊。
很臭哎，你拿。
You need to check whether still got
the oil is.
I need to use. You get tissue for me. Okay, wipe off for me. I need to check how much the balance left. Cannot be empty. See whether he got top out the engine, the black oil or not. No need to wipe already. Just to check left how much. Okay, quite full.
So then this. 你可以开那个 brake fluid。
I think they top out already 啦。
对啊，那个 brake fluid 你要不要
It's very hot, you know, cannot 啦，会 break 的嘞。
Then oil.
By maximum ignition areas reservoir tank.
对，他讲你要 check 嘞。你讲他讲你要 check。
But it's very hot.
没办法。
等下喷出来啊！如果它在滚的时候，它在滚烧的时候，它会喷出来，要等一下子，不可以马上。
So, this is the brake fluid. I don't know how much it is, but I think that's quite enough. I think. Moving on. So this is where the ledge where we. Moving on. Tell me this is the color. Coolant. That's right. This is the coolant. But do not open it when it's very hot, the engine.
Yeah,
this is the
it's
coolant.
very hot.
This is the coolant.
And what is that just now?
Never open when hot. Hot coolant will scald you.
对啦，会喷出来吗？跟你讲了咯。
And this is something else I do not know. Okay, I'm not an engineer. This is an wiring to connect the engine.
Will scald you. Will scald you.
This is the wiring to connect the battery for the IMA to work, which is this thing over here.
You need to show your face.
No! I'm not doing a face review. Maybe I did it, but whatever. This is the gearbox. I think so, right? The gearbox, right? Right? I don't know. Maybe I can find the gearbox. Put it inside there. Or maybe use a TT camera. I on your TT camera.
Oh shit. It is really hot, man. It's
谁叫你开？谁叫你开？你要 wipe 的，你要 wipe 的那个 tissue。
You go and get the tissue more. So less tissue.
那个车可以那个车可以 overheat 的嘞。那个车可以 overheat 的嘞。
是咩？
水。
会啊。
会。哎，还是那个 doctor 的那边。
有水啦，它都爆了啦，都跟你讲了。等下来 tell you I don't want need to check. You tell me to check.
没有没有跟你讲，你这么开。I think we need to move on. Cameraman, man. Actually, I need the TT camera. And I'm taking my face. Okay, get the TT camera.
I never take your face, okay?
Okay, TT camera. Okay, so when my mommy is taking my TT camera, I just found the thing. I found the gearbox. I legit.
The gearbox, where's the engine?
Here.
This is called gearbox, man.
Yes.
Which one is the?
Below,
it's
below.
hot, ah, it's hot, ah.
Below, very below.
Below is the gearbox, ah. Okay,
Yes.
that's a gearbox, lah.
I don't know what is
Beside the
this
timing belt,
side,
is it?
but then this side is like the gearbox connected to that also. Should I take the suspension again? The suspension. Actually, what's inside there?
Suspension.
What's that? Oh, that's the suspension. Maybe. Okay. You go take the TT camera.
Why?
I want to take so many inside. I want to see inside also. It's the engineers, okay? It's the engineers. So yeah. Yeah, that's inside. That's very rusty. This car is actually to the so it's very rusty, but whatever. So moving on to this side. So this is the gearbox I show you already. Low bit. How about another one?
My phone, lah. No choice.
Then the inside is so the SRS airbag. Important battery. Okay. What's that? 158 volt, 12 volt. Okay, that's actually a lot.
Okay,
Of volt.
you need a light, right?
Excuse me, cameraman again. I need to take inside.
I'm a woman, not man.
Okay, whatever. I don't care.
Show your face.
I want to see the inside. Okay.
Show your face.
Hello. Alright, so that's the inside. Very much ouch. This part's very hot. Okay, so any bugs over here, or else you make your car overheat. No bugs. Okay, no bugs. And this one is. Oh my god! I didn't see the bottom before. I did not see the bottom before. Can I see the bottom? Mommy. Let me see the bottom. Yes. Bottom part. This is bottom part. It's very hard for me to see if I didn't take it correctly. But
Don't take my number plate, I tell you.
what?
Don't record my number plate.
I didn't record your number plate. Okay, I can blur it out.
Can?
Yes.
Really? iPhone
Yes.
can?
Yes. Okay, so this is another suspension over there, and then I can see the tires. Wait, the tires are here, I believe.
Your
Yes.
photos are so long.
I know. Honda, of course, the logo. So this is the 195 things, yeah. Alright, so inside there, okay. You can see inside there. Oh, yes, that's. And then yeah, you can touch. You can touch these things, okay. I'm gonna touch it. Okay, if it's hot. As you can see my hair, I'm touching it. Okay, it's not hot. Inside is the clippers, I believe. That's the brake clipper or stuff. And moving back to the tires, back of the tire. There's no suspension. So this is rear-wheel drive. Okay, rear-wheel drive. Yes, rear-wheel drive. Honda Civic. Moving on to the next thing, right here, which is here. Nothing else to do. Okay, that's the thing. No, loach. And then it's very rusty inside. Just take a look at it. Oh, before I miss, I just saw this part. And what is there? Oh, no, I can see the down there. Woohoo! Nice one. And she's taking inside the wheel. And she's taking inside the wheel. And I think I shall do. And I do not know. Where is the wheel? So, okay, so okay. IMA. That's what the IMA stands for. This
Okay,
is
go
Honda.
home.
Yep.
Very hot lah.
So